इसके लिए जब मैं ताली बजाना चालू करता हूँ तो मेरा रुकने का मन नहीं करता, तो आपकी तालियां कैसे रुक गई जब तक वो बोला ही नहीं।
Thank you for this native. Good morning, all of you. How are you? I am marvelous. Before I am time to wait for our people. I am all the presented, my dear friends. I am arrived to I am coming for guest. I request all my dear friends who are present over here. Today I want to say something about myself. Firstly, I would like to pay an exceptional gratitude to my complimented and share as well all the presented my dear friends. Gratitude to my complimented. Share as well as our presented my dear friends who had me this marvelous eventuality to represent something in front of you. Please forgive me any inattentive mistake occurs during my presentation. I am Rahul from Bihar, Nalanda district, and my native palace from Bihar. I am studying in ISC from the University in India, and when I came to Noida, so I had no knowledge for English language, but now I am reaching resting to mean Slarpur. I am preparing government job and I am studying along with preparing. So I am going to hear about my ISS. My ISS is in Slarpur. Opposite. My ISS is nearby Police Chowki, Sarupa Market. And here started it was established in 2011. And the director of this institute is Bablisha from when Bablisha started ISS Institute, so those days only for one students. You can see when one child from a small and slowly the and change for his life. That's he is not able to speak our language, also Hindi language. But my dear friends, whose childhood brings the next sounds along, yom. That's you understand from your language. That's only the my ISN Institute when publisher start from so many students. That's and till now you can see 1,000 students learn computer education and English language. So you can see in Slarpur next 10 years many institutes closed open. But my IS Institute is with a style for a student. My batches time is 6 a.m. morning and late night 10 p.m. You can see for coming IS Institutes anytime. 6 a.m. between 10 p.m. in night. My IS staff is very intelligent and talented. She helps with the students. And my staff is also helps the students, and my environment is very good. So because you cannot will be able to succeed in exams without environment. So environment is very differently and secure people. All the ISS people, so environment, so completed mind of environment and education and manners. So my dear friends, I don't know about ISS before 3 months. Before 3 months, and so I reached in Shalapur. That I did not about this best places, Shalapur, Noida, Bhangels. I don't know any places. But my dear friends, when I reach in Noida, that's I'm not understand my language. Nobody understand my language. But I am speaking English in front of you. So only because of Himanshu sir. That's due to Himanshu sir and I cooperative ISS students and my publisher also. So I'm not able to speak. How can I speak Hindi? I'm not able to also Hindi language. Before English learn, I can 5 languages. I can Bhojpuri, Maithili, Bajika, Hindi language. But I did not English language about so differently. And but my best friend Suraj is driving. Suraj told me one day I was weeping. So Suraj presented my home. Suraj told me, Rahul, why are you so angry today? I speak. Suraj, what is spoke? Yeah, I'm just passing exam 10th class. So, but when I passed 10th class, so very good marks. But not allowed. English language is 34% in English language. And you can say definitely now. I am cheated in English language. I have passed the exam in cheated because I did not knowledge, learn English, read English, and how can I speak English? So Suraj told me I am learning English now from Himanshu sir. He told me, do you want to speak English? So I spoke. What? Have you gone crazy? I have just passed 10 class exams only for 34 marks. I don't learn ABC and Sunday Monday January, February. But Suraj told me, no Rahul, this matter now. It's matter now. That's English a very easy language. You can speak English. You can also speak English. But I asked. As next verse I am also think about meet for Himanshu sir. Once day I meet for Himanshu sir. When I meet Himanshu sir, I am very nervous. I am nervous. Sir spoke. अरे nervous क्यों होते? Sir spoke. अरे nervous क्यों होते हो? English is a very easy language. English is a funny language. Yeah. Sir, are you speaking English funny language? Yes, English is a funny language. English is a dance language. English is a talk language. English is a walk language. Yeah, sir. What are you speaking? Yes, I listening is a funny language. I am very laugh. 1 million cents also laugh. Oh, I can speak English is a word language. So, how can I speak English? What language? Talk language. I can speak English from all. then told me, you can also speak English. But so, my dear friends, those days my life is changed from Himanshu sir. By Himanshu sir is the best teaching for me. You will be able to most English speaker in Noida. Or Noida pilots for English, very good speaker. Ah yes, I can be a speaker. Yes, you can be a good speaker. Those days I did not belong this Himanshu sir at all. So, but my dear friends, I am speaking English in front of you. If I were Himanshu sir. Friends, if I were Himanshu sir, I am never speak English in very improved. Proud because of Himanshu sir. I will give you advice. You admission in ISS. You also admission in ISS. When do you admission in ISS? The ISS is a very good environment. So my ISS is a very environment of along with a very fantastic knowledge. So my publisher is a very principal. My principal is a publisher. So Dr. Sam, very thanks for publisher. And when you admission in the ISS, you build before you build house basic level. So I started from ABCD Sunday, Monday, January, February, sense and special education for this language. And next meditation nouns, role as pilots, and expect levels from GD. You can speak, group discussion, and interview skills. Interview skills are very important. So I will be for 50 days. 50 days from Nagla Chowk where my met foreign friends.
जज्बाती हो गया ये तो आपने इसको 3 घंटे दे दो ना तो पता नहीं चलता रहेगा क्या क्या सुनाएगा मुझे भी नहीं पता इंग्लिश जिनके समझ में ना आ रही हो फिर भी इसके एक्सप्रेशन से तो समझ ही गए होगे कि पक्का बिहारी है और जब बिहारी जो 2-2.5 महीने 3 महीने हुए हैं उसे यहाँ पर आए हुए इतनी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोल सकता है तो आप लोग क्यों नहीं बोल सकते अब इसकी इंग्लिश तो समझ में आई नहीं होगी हिंदी देखते हैं समझ में आ जाए तो देखता हूँ हिंदी में आप लोगों को क्या कुछ बताना चाहते हैं प्लीज स्पीक इन हिंदी आई रिक्वेस्ट यू
थैंक यू वेरी मच दोस्तों अगर आपके दिल में सपने हैं तो साकार जरूर होंगे अगर आपके दिल में सपने हैं तो साकार जरूर होंगे अगर आप कभी गिर भी गए तो उठाने वाले 1000 जरूर होंगे कई लोग सोचते हैं मैं इंग्लिश नहीं बोल पाऊंगा इंग्लिश तो गांव की लैंग्वेज है इंग्लिश आप सोचते होंगे कि अमेरिका अपना इंडिया में इंग्लिश है लेकिन सभी लोग सोचते हैं अंग्रेजी सीखेंगे काश मैं अंग्रेजी बोलता इफ आई वर स्पीक इंग्लिश बट सिर्फ बोलते ही रह जाते हैं क्यों नहीं सीखते हैं आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि ठीक है मैं अभी अंग्रेजी मैंने बोला ठीक आप यहाँ जाइए और प्रोग्राम के बारे में भुला जाइए सो आप एडमिशन कराइए एडमिशन कराने के बाद इन्वायरमेंट एंड वेस्ट इन्वायरमेंट आपको मिलेगा सो आप डर रहे होंगे आप अंधेरे में हैं तो आपको उजाले की आवश्यकता होगी उजाले की जब कोई बंदा अंधेरे में होता है तो उजाले की जरूरत होती है और वह उजाला है मेरा ISS ISS सिर्फ इंग्लिश ही नहीं सिखाई जाती है, सिर्फ कंप्यूटर ही नहीं सिखाई जाती है, वहाँ पर एक शिष्टाचार ज्ञान नॉलेज दिया जाता है जो गुरु और स्टूडेंट के बीच अटूट हो, जो कभी नहीं टूटता, वो नॉलेज यहाँ दिया जाता है। आप मेरी बातों पर विश्वास नहीं कीजिए, आप मेरी बातों पर विश्वास नहीं कीजिए, आप खुद एडमिशन, आप ISS जाकर देखिए कि वहां पर किस तरह पढ़ाई होती है, किस तरह स्टूडेंट को सक्सेसफुल किया जाता है, किस तरह आप अपना ड्रीम अचीव कर सकते हैं। So, my dear friends, thanks for supervising your speaking, and that's why I say I would have been teaching my blood, my to say.